In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best stainless steel cookware sets. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 7. All-Clad Brush D5. If you're ready to replace your inexpensive cookware with a high-end set that will make the neighbors jealous, this set will be the jewel of your kitchen. But it's not all looks. These pieces are also workhorses that are designed for heavy-duty use in your busy kitchen. This set includes all of the pieces you really need in your kitchen: an 8-inch frying pan, a 10-inch frying pan, a 1.5-quart saucepan with lid, a 3-quart saucepan with lid, a 3-quart sauté pan with lid, and an 8-quart stockpot with lid. These are made with a 5-ply bonded construction that has alternating layers of stainless steel and conductive aluminum for warp-free strength and even heating. The heat conductivity is excellent. I browned ground beef and seared chicken sausages and salmon fillets in record time, our reviewer raves, adding that only low to medium heat is needed to cook most things, resulting in energy efficiency. Number 6. Cook & Home 12-piece. If you don't have the budget for a high-end set of cookware, this collection will fit your budget, while it looks good on your stove. The pans have a mirrored finish inside and out, and an encapsulated base for even heat distribution. These can be used on all cooking surfaces. The handles are made from stainless steel and are riveted on for durability, and the lids are tempered glass, so you can see what's cooking. The pots are oven-safe to 350 degrees, and the lids are safe to 270 degrees to preserve their appearance. If you're not concerned about discoloration of the metal, you can use the pots up to 500 degrees and the lids to 350 degrees. They are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 5. Cuisinart MCP12 and Multiclad Pro. If you're looking for a quality set of cookware that won't break the bank, this set has everything you need. It has a brushed stainless exterior and a polished interior surface, cool grip handles that are riveted on for security, and tight-fitting lids that self-baste the food as you cook. The triple-ply construction includes an aluminum core for heat retention and even heating. Our product tester can attest to this, saying that, with the lid on, a pot's contents stay warm while she's doing other tasks. She adds that her food ends up not only evenly browned, but also with none of it stuck to the pan once done doing so. The rims of this cookware are tapered for easy, mess-free pouring. The set is oven-safe to 550 degrees and can be used on any cooking surface, including induction. Number 4. Rachael Ray Create Delicious. This set includes everything a new cook will need, in a happy design with bright red handles that will perk up the kitchen. These are made from polished stainless steel with etched measurement markings inside that make it easy to see if there's enough water for the pasta. The rims are flared for neat pouring, and the lids are glass, so it's easy to check the cooking progress without lifting the lid and losing steam and heat. The handles are riveted on for security, and the red silicone gives a secure grip. The set includes a 1-quart saucepan, a 2-quart saucepan with lid, a 6-quart saucepan with lid, a 10.25-inch deep pan, and a 3-quart sauté pan with lid, along with a wooden spoon and slotted turner. These are induction compatible and oven safe to 400 degrees. Customers really like how sturdy yet lightweight these are, and that, when preheated properly, they heat evenly and don't burn food. Number 3. Lagostina Martellata Hammered Cop. Stainless steel cookware is a favorite because it's so sturdy and versatile, but it can look rather plain. This set solves that problem since it has a hammered copper exterior that looks beautiful. Over time, the copper finish will develop a patina that many cooks love, but it's easy to clean the pans to bring them back to their original brightness if that's preferred. It's not all flash, though, since it has an aluminum core encased in stainless steel for even, consistent heating with no hot spots. The lids and handles are stainless steel, which offers an attractive color contrast. The edges of the pans are rolled for neat, easy pouring, and the pots are oven safe to 500 degrees. This set includes an 8-inch skillet, a 10-inch skillet, a 2-quart saucepan with lid, a 3-quart saucepan with lid, a 3-quart deep sauté pan with lid, and a 6-quart stock pot with lid. Other highlights people point out are that the handles are both solid and. Number 2. Anolon 30822. With Anolon Multiclad cookware, you get both beauty and performance. It sears and simmers perfectly every time, and can also be used over high heat for browning off a frittata or skillet casserole. The pieces are stain resistant and dishwasher safe. Number 1. Le Creuset 14-piece. With Le Creuset stainless steel cookware, you can crank up the heat and brown a batch of sirloin steaks to perfection. The beautiful pieces have ridged lids to match the company's iconic cast iron pots and pans. The set is also stain resistant, so it will keep its good looks for years to come.